Even if you're just in the market for a better overall well-being level, our chiropractor can make your everyday wellness aspirations a reality. On your first visit to Back to Action Chiropractic Center, Dr. Jerry Dreesen will explain how chiropractic care works and give you a full evaluation to see if chiropractic solutions are the right choice to address your needs. Dr. Dreesen will tell you how chiropractic treatment works and explain to you how we evaluate you so that we can see if we can help you. He can design a tailored plan for you, tailoring your chiropractic care to meet your condition and your personal health objectives.
He'll provide you with answers to your questions about chiropractic treatment if you've never visited a chiropractor before. You can call 425-670-2600 or visit his website at www.backtoaction.com to learn more.